This is a review about a frameless shower door made by OVE and sold at Costco. The price was uncomparable to other products on the market when I did my research. I purchased it online and it was delivered to my garage for a price of $600, which was unbeatable in my opinion. It came in a brushed nickel finish, which is what I wanted. As if you look at my tiles, it has this kind of marble look with this grayish tinge in it, so it worked perfectly. It also came in a bronze finish as well. However, that was $50 more. In terms of the quality of this product, I think it's outstanding. It feels very sturdy, well designed and engineered. It looks amazing, to be honest with you. I really like it, especially this barn style sliding door. The manual that the product came with was very informative. It had step by step instructions that made the installation very easy. I am a very handy man when it comes to doing things around the house. I renovated this bathroom myself. I had all the necessary tools already at hand to make the installation flawless. The tools I used included a hammer drill, which is absolutely necessary, especially if you have tile, and a carbide drill bit. You won't be able to use other drill bits to get through tile, whether it was porcelain or ceramic. It also has these double-sided handles from each side, which are pretty large, huge. They feel great, and they're very sturdy. It took me about 4 to 6 hours to complete the installation. The downside for the installation is mainly the weight of the glass panels. I weigh about 240 pounds, 6 feet tall, and I struggled a bit lifting the glass panels up 2 flights of stairs. I would say each panel weighs about 150 pounds. I could be wrong, but it's roughly around there. Um, I really like the seamless mechanism of how the door slides effortlessly as you open it and close it. It comes also with a water-resistant seal that goes around the edges to prevent water from seeping through. However, you still have to use silicone around the stationary panel. Otherwise, you will have water that seeps underneath if you apply direct water to the corners. I have, as you see, this shower panel, and it does come with a douche. And when it's directed at the edges, water did seep through. Um, I do recommend that you apply the silicone while you're doing the installation, such as behind the sidebar over there. Just, for looks. You can also apply it afterwards, as they recommend in the manual. This installation was mainly designed for a shower width of 58 to 60 inches. Anything beyond 60 inches, it's not going to work, and you shouldn't even have a shower that's or a shower door that's more than 60 inches. Uh, my shower was exactly 58 inches, and I had to cut that steel bar by a half an inch. Hand tools will be painstaking cutting that steel bar. It is hollow on the inside, but still it is very strong steel. I used a sawzall with a metal cutting blade, and it worked very well. I tried to use an oscillating tool with a metal cutting blade, but that was too difficult. It vibrates too much, gets stuck, and didn't work that well. Make sure that you put towels or a blanket around that steel bar while you're cutting it on whatever surface you're using, just to prevent it from being scratched and messing it up. You do want to have that nice brushed nickel finish on it. This product is great. I love the way it looks. Its functionality is outstanding. And for the price of what you're getting at Costco, it was pretty much unbeatable. When I did my research and I looked at other shower doors out there, sliding shower doors mainly, um, for something like this, it's really hard to find something that's underneath $800. And I've been using it for about 2 months now, and I think it works great, and I haven't had any issues whatsoever with it. One thing I do want to point out is, it makes it easy to have a squeegee in the shower. So, when you're done after using your shower for a few days, it makes it easy to just clean it up with a squeegee, and so it can maintain that really nice look. And you don't want to have these dried water spots on the glass. It'll just look ugly.